Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Belleone 103 6393S mower blades. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, and let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So as we get these out, please note again that they are going to be relatively heavy. It is a 3-pack. They come obviously very well wrapped in the initial packaging, and then of course this I'll unwrap now. So obviously double check what model you have and what center hole you have. As far as the blades, that's just some gunk. Blades are nice, sharp. Obviously not going to cut your finger or anything like that, but we'll do the damage on the grass really nicely. I'll give you kind of the angle there a little bit better. Sorry, I'm trying my best to kind of show you. There we go. What it looks like up close. And again, obviously there's 3 of them. And they are obviously specific model, size, and shape. So pay attention to that. And they all look pretty fantastic. So, consult again and double check which model this will be for, and what it fits and how you'll install and all that stuff. But these things look great. Definitely worth buying. And again, nice 3-pack, heavyweight, can do the job. So very excited. Definitely worth it. Hopefully this review helped you, and thanks for watching.